Did you know that the sindoor, that has bits of mercury in it, helps to trigger sexual desires in women? The kumkum powder, used in temples, is a substance that gathers and retains energy quickly, just like vibhuti. This sacred powder is very much capable of absorbing the powerful pranic vibrations of the temples. The sandalwood, that is the ingredient of sindoor and kumkum, calms the mind and helps fight stress and anxiety. Sindoor is a traditional wear of Hindu married women. Though, modern era considers it as something that doesn't go with the trend and avoids wearing it except at religious functions. But, sindoor is a lot more than just a symbol of matrimony. The ancients used science to design this sacred red powder, which furnishes health benefits to those who wear it. In early days, sindoor was made of natural ingredients like turmeric, sandalwood, or chandan, lime, and a bits of mercury. Mercury is necessary to trigger the sexual desires in a married woman. Also, the metal helps the red color of sindoor to retain longer. This theory was once published in a 2017 research paper that sindoor helps to increase a woman's feelings for her husband, leading to a happy married life. According to the paper, the area where the sindoor is applied, that is, the middle parting of the hairline, is the place where the pituitary gland is located. This gland is the center of all feelings and emotions. So, the mercury, when applied in this region, triggers the sexual desires of a woman for her husband. The mercury is also believed to have cooling properties, which keeps the blood pressure down. And this is the reason why a woman who loses her husband denies to wear the sacred sindoor, as women in earlier days believed in monogamy or having only one partner. Other than this magical red powder also helps to increase the concentration level. This is so, as it removes the unwanted water in the forehead region. The another ingredient in the sindoor is the turmeric, that is well known for its antibacterial properties. Turmeric is also a popular ingredient of Indian traditional medicines. The main active substance in turmeric is called curcumin. It can help to improve memory and mood in those people who has mild age-related memory loss. Next ingredient is the chandan or sandalwood. Chandan is generally used for its relaxing and cooling properties. It also emits an aesthetic aroma that can definitely calm anyone's mind and lift their spirit. So, it is generally beneficial to deal with anxiety and stress issues. The sindoor, when used in puja rituals, it is called kumkum. The only difference between kumkum and sindoor is, kumkum doesn't contain the mercury in it. The kumkum is a sacred powder, generally used to worship the Shakti or the Devi. According to the tradition, kumkum is generally applied between the eyebrows. This spot is believed to be a very subtle energy point of the brain. This is also the place where Ajna Chakra, or the intuition center, is located. When kumkum is applied, the point on the mid-brow region is pressed, and this activates the energy point. Scientific experiments have also proved that this point is associated with the pineal and the pituitary gland, which controls various functions of the body. A subtle press at this point also helps in improving blood supply to the facial muscles. There are certain substances that are identified as highly sensitive, as they can easily gather and retain energy. Vibhuti is one among them. And kumkum is also like that. One can easily energize vibhuti and kumkum and give it to someone. In many ancient temples, which still has very powerful pranic vibrations, these substances are kept there for a while, so that it gathers a certain amount of energy in it. And then, it is shared with those people who visits the temple.